Welcome, in front of me I have HiSense LED TV, and today I'll show you how you can make the first setup of this TV. So when you are turned on at the first time, here we are able to choose the language. So of course we are going to pick the English. You have to tap OK on your remote control. Next we have to pick our country. So we are navigate with arrows, as you can see, just like that. I'm looking for the English. Okay, so we can pick, for example, well, I cannot find here the England, so we can pick, it might be Poland. So if you want to choose your country, you have to click OK. And here we can choose that we want to turn on the retail mode. So of course we don't want, so just tap OK by moving on the off. And as you can see, it's complete, so it was very simple and very fast. So click OK another time to confirm. And then we can turn in the setup, so we can pick the tune type, the digital type, and we can also move to the dish setup. Of course, you are navigate with your arrows on the remote control, so we can pick what you want. Let's pick it like that. If you want to go back, just simply tap on the menu button. If you want to change the source, you have to tap right here. And as you can see, we got a few of them. Let's pick the HDMI one, for example. And as you can see, it's finished. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.